All right. Hello. This is another test of the Oakley Prizm lenses. Uh, it's in the morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning. So it's really cloudy and it's raining for a little bit. As you can see, I mean it's really cloudy and the streets are kind of wet. So the lenses are performing nicely because it's cloudy and a little dark. uh, all the streets are like a little bit lit up, you know. So this lens gives you the extra, lighting that you might be missing from the early morning time. So the reflection of the lens, I mean, if I look up, there's some, but still you can see my eyes a little bit. So yeah, I'm really happy with these lenses. Like I said before, they're great. They give you like an amazing clarity vision. Really nice. Really happy with it. And it's only like 10 bucks more than the regular lenses from Oakley. So I think it's really worth it. Okay, another shot from the side. And this is the Flak Jacket frame with XLJ lenses. I don't think they make it anymore, so all right then. You got any questions about this lens? I'll be more than happy to answer you. Thank you.